Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Pretty Designs. In today's video, if you are looking forward on how to cut and sew this dress, just stay tuned. I already dropped a tutorial on how to cut it, so let's get started. So for you to be able to achieve this sewing on the screen, you have to make sure you watch this video to the end. So what you need to do is to bring your sequence that you already cut out. Just place it like so, front facing front. Use your pin and pin it all through. Then after pinning it, you take it to your sewing machine and sew, and flip it to the right side, just like so, and sew it as well. And this is for the front. Bring the front, bring the front of your dress and your sequence. Just turn it like so, front facing front as well, and make sure you pin it correctly. Just pin it, because you know most times sewing sequence can be very difficult. Then use half an inch and sew it. After pinning it, just sew it round like so and notch it. So guys, this is for the back. I'm done sewing it, and this is what I just did. After sewing, I just flip it to the other side, and this is for the front as well. I'm done sewing it, and I flip it to the front and just sew it on top of the dress. So the next thing now is to bring your back, place it like so again, front facing front, place it equal with the shoulder. Make sure you pin it very well. Bring the other side, pin it as well, and take it to your sewing machine and sew it using just half an inch. I'm trying to highlight a chalk so that I will know where to sew it, but you can also use your sense and sew it just half an inch. Don't use more than half an inch. So guys, I'm done sewing it, and this is what I have. The next thing is to sew our sequence to the hand, because there will be a sequence at the top. So I'm done sewing it, and this is the gown. I just want to shape. So the next thing you have to do is to pin it together, front facing front as well. Just use your pin and pin it all through. So after pinning the other side, you just have to flip it like so and pin other side as well. So after pinning it, for our measurement, I want the shoulder, the round sleeve to be free, so I'll be coming down with 11 inches. So from that 11 inches, that is where I'll be taking my round sleeve measurement. So for this dress, I'll just be using 2 inches for the shaping. You see what I'm doing? Just use 2 inches for the shaping. You can use 1 inch depending on how free you want it to be. But when you get to the down part like so, I'll be using 3 inches because I don't want it to be too wide. So I just used 3 inches. So you need to do the same. Turn to the other side. Measure your 11 for your round sleeve. Then use your 2 inches down, and the down part 3 inches. Just connect it like so. Take it to your sewing machine and sew. So I'm done sewing it. This is what I have. I just cut out that rope there. So I'm done sewing. Let me just turn it so that you guys will see what we have there. So the dress is ready. So easy to sew. This is the simplest method to sew this dress gown together with hand dress. So if you know this video was helpful, make sure you comment, like, share and subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.